So I'm gonna read pirate stories, 5-minute tales. So is that? I don't know what kind is this. This igloo book belongs to. Don't look at the name because it's smiling. Oh God, this is the first page. The Scallywag Challenge. Wait, let me zoom this in. The harbor was crowded with pirates waiting to take part in the Scallywag Challenge. Every year, they competed to find the best buccaneer. I can't wait to start, said Sam excitedly. Yo ho ho, you'll never win. You always come last, chuckled one of the pirates. Not this time, thought Sam. He'd been practicing his pirate skills for weeks and was determined to win a golden doubloon medal. The first contest was tying knots. Sam was so keen to impress the judge, he tried to tie the most complicated knot he knew, but ended up in a terrible tangle. The other pirates just sniggered. The next challenge was swabbing the deck. I'll finish first, said Sam, running to grab a mop. Yarn. But Sam was in such a rush he slipped on some soap and tumbled bottom first into his bucket. Yarg, har, har, roared the other pirates with laughter. Sam got in a muddle, hoisting the mainsail, and burned his ship's biscuits in the buccaneer bake-off. The other pirates are right. I'll never win, he sighed. Just then there was a terrible cry from the crowd's nest. Arg! A ship-squashing sea monster is heading straight for us, cried one pirate as the others ran off to hide. But Sam didn't panic. Quickly, he tied his tangled rope to the bucket and filled it with burned biscuits. And as the sea monster swam up and opened his giant mouth, Sam hurled the burned biscuits inside. Yuck! Spluttered the monster. Then it swam away as fast as it could. The pirates climbed out from their hiding places and cheered. The judge awarded Sam an extra special medal for being the bravest buccaneer in the Scallywag Challenge. Well done, matey, said the judge. So that's all. All these pages are for these I'm gonna do a part 2 and look at my monster. By the way, bye. See you guys. Bye.